here to explain how a single or a series diagram operates, how it functions, how it's being connected. On ground we have a series diagram. Series diagram. We have the line breaker, the switch, and the two bulbs and the holder. You also have a junction box where all the currents are being, or all the cables are being connected. For us to make our work to be neat, we need a junction box. Go to the switch. From the switch, yes, we start from the supply. We have to make sure when supplying our series circuits, we have to make sure that the live go to the live from the supply and the neutral go to the neutral from the supply. Exactly what we have here. This is a live that supply the circuits, and this is the neutral that supply the circuits. And these are the two apparatus used in connecting these circuits. We use a plier to peel the cable, before putting it in the junction box or in a breaker. Then we use now a tester or screw, or this tester. We use a tester now to screw it into the line breaker. We also use it to screw it in the lamp holder. Okay, how it operates or how it works. When you put on the line breaker, the circuit does not come on until you put on the switch. When the switch is on, this is how it operates. From the switch or from the line breaker, it goes straight to the switch. From the switch now, it goes to the junction box. From the junction box now, you leave the junction box and go to the first terminal of line 1. Or this lamp 1 we are talking about. This lamp 1. Let's consider this as lamp 1. Then from the first terminal of lamp 1, it leaves and come out from the second terminal of lamp 1. It goes straight now back to the junction box to make our work neat. It goes straight back to the junction box. Where in the junction box now we have a bridge. This is a bridge here that supplies the other box. From there now it goes straight to the first terminal of the lamp 2. Cut.
Cameraman the text.
Okay, prepare for that. Your camera goes. From the second terminal of the lamp 1, it goes straight to the junction box. From the junction box, you have a bridge here that supply now the lamp 2. Easy. From the junction box, this bridge supply the lamp 2, which enter the first terminal of the lamp 2. Then now come out from the second terminal, which now the neutral now take place. Why is this series circuit? Because they both share the same current. That means if we remove this bulb, the other one will not light. Why? Because there's a terminal, these two terminals, the negative and the positive. There's a bulb that makes it to supply the other bulb. Minus this one will not be able to go on. Are we there? Okay, let's see. Put it back. When we put it back, you see that the two lamps are lighting. They have the same brightness, isn't it? That's because they share the same current. They share the same current. Same here, if you remove this other one too, this one will not light. That is because it's this bulb that also supplies this. Minus this, the bulb will not be able to come on. So there is it. So this bulb now is like a switch to this. While this is also like a switch to this one. Minus any of the bulb, the other one will not be able to function. Are we there? Okay. This is how it operates. And thanks for your understanding. Hope to see you guys. Hope you call us. Thanks and stay safe. Please subscribe.
I see what they there for.
I said, maybe just a teacher and then you use long hair. That video
The man edit that thing before you show me.
They 3 minutes.
Edit it. The man disconnect.
You get